Hey everyone, welcome back to the Review Scout, the channel where we uncover the smartest digital tools that help you earn more, work less, and finally build something that lasts. Today, I've got something incredibly exciting to show you. It's called ViralReelAI, and it could very well change how you approach social media growth, especially if you're into faceless content creation. Now, if you're someone who wants to run Instagram or TikTok pages, but you don't want to show your face or record your own voice, this tool is exactly what you need. It's an AI-powered platform that takes a single keyword and turns it into reels, story videos, image posts, quote clips, and more, all automatically, all faceless, and all optimized to attract views, engagement, and even sales. It's not just about making cool content either. ViralReelAI is designed to grow your following and help you make money with zero need for manual video editing, voiceover recording, or day-to-day posting. You set it up once, and the system can keep running in the background while you focus on other parts of your life or business. The creators of this software knew that content creation has become both a blessing and a burden. There's a constant need for fresh posts, engaging stories, and viral-worthy videos, and doing all that on your own can take hours. So they built something that uses artificial intelligence to do all the heavy lifting for you. You get access to dozens of features that streamline and supercharge your content game. Want to post a reel? Type your keyword and ViralReelAI builds it. Want a quote video or meme style story? Done in seconds. Need a full carousel image post with overlays? The software has you covered. And it's not just visuals. The platform comes with built-in voiceover generation in many languages and accents. You can choose the tone and style, and the narration gets applied instantly. For next-level realism, it even integrates with 11 Labs, a top-tier AI voice tech that makes the audio sound incredibly natural and human. What really takes things to another level is the inclusion of AI avatars that lip-sync to your audio. These avatars give your videos personality without ever needing you to step in front of the camera. It's perfect for staying anonymous while still building a strong brand presence. Everything you create is formatted automatically for social media. The system adjusts video sizes to fit Instagram stories, posts, and even YouTube with no manual resizing or extra effort. The time this saves adds up quickly, especially if you're managing multiple accounts or working as a freelancer. Then there's the automation. You can pre-schedule your content for days or weeks ahead. Once you've generated your videos, simply select your posting schedule and let ViralReelAI handle publishing. It even handles direct Instagram posting with a single click. That's hours saved every week. For those looking to monetize beyond their own pages, you also get commercial usage rights. This lets you create content for others, sell video packages, or even start your own automation service. Imagine offering clients daily reels, stories, or memes created completely by AI and charging a premium for it. The platform also allows batch creation. If you got 10 content ideas and want to knock them out fast, ViralReelAI will generate multiple videos in one session. You don't need to repeat the process each time. It's perfect for creators who want to stay consistent without burning out. There's also a feature that transforms your text scripts into fully produced videos. Just paste your script, and it builds a voiceover, visuals, transitions, and effects automatically. Whether it's a promotional video, an explainer, or even a motivational post, this one tool does it all. Another great benefit is the content performance tracker. With built-in AI-powered analytics, you can see which videos perform the best, what kind of topics your audience responds to, and how to improve. It's like having your own social media strategist, giving you data-driven insights 24/7. But what really blew me away was the AI followers generation engine. This isn't just another growth tool that floods your page with bots. This AI actually helps build your audience by intelligently engaging with users, responding to comments and questions, and posting optimized content regularly. It even creates Pinterest pins and SlideShare documents based on your videos to drive even more traffic to your Instagram page. You also get access to pre-designed templates and visual themes. These make it incredibly easy to produce content that looks good and feels consistent across your posts. Whether you're going for a clean educational vibe or a bold, trendy look, you'll find a template that works. Every piece of content can be exported in HD or 4K resolution, ensuring your visuals are crisp and professional on any platform, whether it's Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or even LinkedIn. Let's say you want to promote a product, a course, or an affiliate offer. Just pick your keyword, input your call to action or script, and ViralReelAI will do the rest. You don't have to worry about editing, scripting, or voiceover. It's all done for you. All you have to do is upload it and let the AI handle growth and engagement. This system is already helping people generate real results. Some creators are making thousands per month selling products, services, or affiliate offers, and they're doing it all behind the scenes. They don't have large teams. They don't hire editors. They're simply using smart automation to scale their digital presence. And if you're wondering whether it works for your niche, the answer is yes. Whether you're in fitness, finance, gaming, education, fashion, or even digital art, ViralReelAI creates content tailored to your space. And the keyword system makes it ultra-specific, helping you stay relevant and unique in a crowded feed. Instead of chasing trends or guessing what to post, you can focus on strategy and automation. Let AI build your videos. Let AI engage your audience, and let AI publish your content. That's what modern marketing looks like: simple, scalable, and smart. What's even better is that for a limited time, they're offering a massive discount for early buyers, and they're including the commercial license at no extra cost. That means you're getting business-building features that others would normally pay extra for. This isn't just another video app. This is a growth engine for Instagram and TikTok, powered by AI, built for faceless creators, and optimized for real monetization. Whether you're building a brand from scratch or scaling an existing business, this tool gives you an edge. So, if you're ready to stop wasting time, stop worrying about what to post, and finally start building an audience that grows with every upload, check out ViralReelAI today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a review that could change the way you work. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.